The government of Jamaica for us know say you keep them on a limit. Don't make them come with a takeover thing. Them not supposed to in and out, no parliament, nothing. See? Them want to come and invest in our country. Them buy a couple of land and build up them thing. Who want to decide to live? Because them been live there already, a lot of them. Fine. But that's it. Them no rule nothing. Them not make no government decisions or nothing in our country because it's our country. And we have to make all decisions. And them have to work with it. See what I mean? So just that the Jamaica government for just make sure say keep the Chinaman upon a level. Don't make them go like say them want to come in our country, come disrespect our people them and feast them higher than our people. No, we not depend on that. Them have to go lift up ever so then. See? Because them don't want the mass get wrath and start rebelling. You know. See, we don't want to go that way there. So just do the right thing, government. Keep the Chinese them in a order. But give them no waterfront, make them build up no deck. The deck cannot build up no water, this and build up no thing where them cannot input and take out our things and bring in. No, we not depend on that.